शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभिए पढ़ंतु सभिए पढ़ंतु। मने रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु।
आसंतु तेबे नवम श्रेणी इंग्रेज बहीर पाठ्यक्रम रे सामिल हेबा। पिला माने लाइव 1 रे तमे टेक्स्ट 1 रो पाठ पढ़िथिलो। आज लाइव 2 रे आमे टेक्स्ट 2 रो पाठ्यक्रम देले। टेक्स्ट 3 रो पाठ्यक्रम लाइव 3 रे प्राप्त हेबो। प्रत्येक टेक्स्ट रे आमे प्रश्न उत्तर पैराग्राफ रो वन मीनिंग समस्त किछि देउछु। तुमको पढ़िया पे सहज हेबो एवं समस्त प्रश्न उत्तर को ठीक भाव में उत्तर देवा पे मध्य सक्षम हेबो। एबे आसो टेक्स्ट रे सामिल हेबा। टॉपिक द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रो अवशिष्टांश टेक्स्ट 2 रो पाठ्यक्रम।
The week passed. Saturday came again.
गोटे सप्ताह बीतीगला पुणी शनिवार आसिला।
I went to the same restaurant. As I entered, I saw her sitting at the same table as before. She was eating. I went up to her and took the chair opposite hers.
मु से भोजनालय को गली। मु भीतर को पशिया मात्रे झील को पूर्व भली से एका चेयर बसी देखिली। से सेठी खाऊला। मु ता पाखक गली एवं ता आगे पड़ी चेयर बसी पड़ी।
I wished her a good afternoon and then by making one brief remark after another, I was able to start a conversation.
मो झीटी को सु अपराह्न जणाइली एवं गोटे बा दुईटी संक्षिप्त मंतव्य दे ता संगे कथावार्ता आरंभ करिया को सक्षम हेली। कन्वर्सेशन अर्थ कथावार्ता।
At last, she asked, "Are you an Indian? My brother is in India. He is a soldier. We have not had a letter from him for a long time. My mother is very worried. She is afraid something has happened to him."
शेषे से मते पचारिला, आपण जड़े भारतीय कि? मो भाई भारत रे अछि। से जड़े सैनिक। दीर्घ दिनला आमे ताठारु खंडे भी चिट्ठी पाई नाहु। सेथिपाई मो माँ बड़ चिंतित। तांकर आशंका मो भाईर जीवन रे किछि घटिछि।
I learned that her only guardian was her brother. She lived with her old widowed mother, Mrs. Bethy.
मु जानिबा को पाइली जे झीटीर एकमात्र अभिभावक थिला तार भाई। झीटी निजर वृद्धा विधवा माँ सहित रहुथिला जहांकर नाम थिला श्रीमती बेती। विडोड अर्थ विधवा।
I understood how she felt. I think she wanted me to see her mother, but she did not have the courage to ask me to accompany her home.
झीटी किभली अनुभव करथिला मु बुझी पारली। मु भाबुची मु तार माँ को देखा करे बोली झीटी चाहूला, किंतु ता सहित घर को जीवाको मते कहया पे ता पाखरे साहस नथिला। करेज अर्थ साहस, अकम्पानी अर्थ साथी रे जीवा।
We finished our lunch and got up together. As we walked, I asked her, "May I know your name?" "My name is Maggie."
आम्भे माने अर्थात मु और से झीटी मध्याह्न भोजन खाई सारी उठिलु। आम्भे माने चालुवा बेले मु झीटी को पचारली, मु तोर नाम कौन जानीपारे कि? झीटी कहला, मोर नाम मागी।
We chatted pleasantly and soon reached a bus stand. This gave me the opportunity of asking her where she worked.
आमे खुशी रे एणुतुन गप हेलु और शीघ्र एक बस स्टैंड रे पहुँचलु। सेठार से केउठी काम करछि बोली पचारिबार सुजोग मु पाइली। चार्टर्ड अर्थ एणुतुन गुड़ाए गपिलु। प्रेजेंटली अर्थ खुशी रे आनंद रे, अपॉर्चुनिटी अर्थ सुजोग।
Do you usually go this way? I asked. No, she answered. I usually take the village bridge. It is being repaired at the moment.
तुम्हें कौन सबुदिन यही बाट दे जाऊच? मु पचारे। से कहला, ना मु प्रायतः ग्राम पोल दे जाए, बर्तमान सेठी मरामती होउची। यूजुअली अर्थ साधारणतः।
Soon we approached their neighborhood. We had reached a narrow doorway.
शीघ्र आम्बे सेमानक पड़ोशी ग्राम को आगे गलु। आमे एक अणओसारिया द्वार पाखे पहुँचलु। अप्रोच अर्थ आगे गलु।
Maggie took a thin black key out of her pocket and opened the door. She entered and said, "Please come in."
ମାଗି ତା ପକେଟରେ ଏକ ପତଳା ଚାବି ବାହାର କଲା ଏବଂ ଦ୍ୱାର ଖୋଲିଦେଲା। ଭିତରକୁ ପଶି ସେ ମୋତେ କହିଲା, ଦୟାକରି ଭିତରକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଏଥିନ୍ ଲ୍ୟାଚ୍ କି ଏକ ସରୁ ବା ପତଳା ଚାବି। ଲ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ଲକ୍ ବା ତାଲା।
Together we descended the stairs to the kitchen. "Mother," said Maggie from the doorway, "an Indian gentleman has come to see you."
ଏକତ୍ର ଆମେ ପାହାଚରେ ଓହ୍ଲାଇ ରୋଷେଇ ଗୃହରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲୁ। ମାଗି ଦ୍ୱାର ଦେଶରେ ଥାଇ କହିଲା, ମା, ଜଣେ ଭାରତୀୟ ଭଦ୍ରଲୋକ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖା କରିବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ଡିସେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ଅର୍ଥ କେମ୍ ଡାଉନ୍, ଓହ୍ଲାଇ ଆସିଲୁ।
"Where is he?" the old man asked eagerly. With a smile I stepped into the kitchen behind Maggie.
ସେ କେଉଁଠାରେ? ବୃଦ୍ଧା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକଟି କୌତୂହଳ ହୋଇ ପଚାରିଲେ। ଏକ ମୁରୁକି ହସା ମାରି ମୁଁ ମାଗି ପଛେ ପଛେ ରୋଷେଇଶାଳ ଭିତରକୁ ପାଦ ପକାଇଲି।
She introduced us. "How do you do?" I said and held out my hand.
ମାଗି ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କର ପରିଚୟ କରାଇଦେଲା। ହାତକୁ ବଢ଼ାଇ ଦେଇ ମୁଁ ମାଗିର ମାଆକୁ ପଚାରିଲି, ଆପଣ କିପରି ଅଛନ୍ତି? ହେଲ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍ ମାଇ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ଥ ମୋର ହାତ ବଢ଼ାଇଲି।
"Excuse me, my hands are covered with flour. I am making cakes. People will come to buy them this evening. This is the way we make our living, lots of trouble."
କ୍ଷମା କରିବେ ମହାଶୟ, ମୋର ହାତ ଦୁଇଟିରେ ଅଟା ଲାଗିଛି। ମୁଁ ପିଠା ତିଆରି କରୁଛି। ଆଜି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏସବୁକୁ କିଣିବାକୁ ଆସିବେ। ଏହିଭଳି ଆମେ ଜୀବିକା ନିର୍ବାହ କରୁଛୁ। ଅନେକ ସମସ୍ୟା।
Saturday night is a time of festivity in 4 neighborhoods. All kinds of things are sold on this night.
ଦରିଦ୍ର ପଡ଼ୋଶୀ ବସ୍ତି ଅଞ୍ଚଳମାନଙ୍କରେ ଶନିବାର ରାତ୍ରି ଏକ ଉତ୍ସବର ସମୟ। ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ଦ୍ରବ୍ୟ ଏହି ରାତିରେ ବିକ୍ରି କରାଯାଏ। ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଅର୍ଥ ଉତ୍ସବର ସମୟ।
The streets are more crowded than any other day. This is the day when they are able to spend a little from their weekly wages.
ଅନ୍ୟ କୌଣସି ଦିନ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ରାସ୍ତା ସବୁ ଏହି ଦିନ ବହୁତ ଗହଳି ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏହି ଦିନ ପଡ଼ୋଶୀମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସାପ୍ତାହିକ ମଜୁରୀରୁ କିଛି ଅଧିକ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବାକୁ ସମର୍ଥ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ସ ୱିଥ୍ ଆନ୍ସର। ପିଲାମାନେ ଉକ୍ତ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିଲେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଉକ୍ତ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର କରିବା। ବିଶେଷ କରି ଏହି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଗୁଡ଼ିକ ତୁମ ପୁସ୍ତକରେ ଅଛି। ତାହା ସହିତ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ସମାବିତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମଧ୍ୟ। ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବ। ହ୍ୱେୟାର ଡିଡ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟର ଗୋ ଅନ୍ ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ସଟରଡେ? ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଶନିବାର ଦିନ ଲେଖକ କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଗଲେ?
The writer went to the same restaurant on the next Saturday.
Why did the writer arrange the chair opposite her? ଝିଅ ଆଗରେ ଲେଖକ କାହିଁକି ଚେୟାରଟିକୁ ସଜାଡ଼ି ରଖିଦେଲେ?
In the restaurant, the writer arranged the chair opposite to the girl's chair to start talking with her because he had noticed the girl's curiosity about him.
What query did the girl make about the writer? ଲେଖକ ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଝିଅଟି କ'ଣ ଅନୁସନ୍ଧାନ କଲା?
The query that the girl made about the writer was whether he was an Indian.
What impression did the writer have about the family of the girl? ଝିଅଟିର ପରିବାର ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଲେଖକଙ୍କର କି ଧାରଣା ହେଲା?
The writer came to know from the girl that she was living with her old widowed mother. Her only brother was in India. He was a soldier there, but they had not got a letter from him for a long time. Her mother was very worried. She was very afraid that something might have happened to him in India.
How was the writer treated at Maggie's house? Who was there to welcome him? ମାଗି ଘରେ ଲେଖକଙ୍କୁ କିଭଳି ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚା କରାଗଲା? କିଏ ସେଠାରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କଲେ?
Maggie opened the door and entered in it. She asked the writer to come in. She took him to her mother, who was in the kitchen. Maggie told her mother that an Indian gentleman had come to see her. The old woman welcomed the writer eagerly. The writer was treated kindly at Maggie's house.
What was Mr. Bethy doing when the writer met her? Why was she unwilling to go for a handshake? ଲେଖକ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ବେଥୀଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିବା ବେଳେ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ବେଥୀ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ? କରମର୍ଦ୍ଦନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେ କାହିଁକି ଅନିଚ୍ଛୁକ ଥିଲେ?
When the writer met Mrs. Bethy, she was in the kitchen. She was making cakes. Her hands were covered with flour. so she was unwilling to handshake with the writer.
Why did the girl usually visit the restaurant on Saturdays? ଝିଅଟି କାହିଁକି ଶନିବାର ଦିନ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଭୋଜନାଳୟକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା?
The girl was very poor. She did not earn much. Saturday was her payday, so she usually visited the restaurant on Saturdays to have her lunch there.
Object type questions with answers. How did Maggie open the door?
Maggie opened the door by a thin lock key.
Where was Maggie's mother when Maggie entered the house?
She was in the kitchen.
What was Maggie's mother doing when the writer met her?
She was making cakes when the writer met her.
Why could not Maggie's mother go for a handshake?
Because her hands were covered with flour.
What was the importance of Saturday night?
Saturday night was a time of festivity.
Answer the following in a word or a phrase. When did the writer visit the restaurant for the next time?
Next Saturday,
Who was the girl's only guardian?
her brother,
Who was Mistress Betty?
Maggie's widowed mother,
With whom did the girl live?
with her mother,
What was the name of the girl?
Maggie,
What did Maggie take out of her pocket?
a thin latchkey.
Where was Mistress Betty when Maggie and the writer reached at home?
In the kitchen,
What was Mistress Betty making?
cakes,
What were Mistress Betty's hand covered with?
flour.
What was the time of festivity in poor neighborhoods?
Saturday night.
ପିଲାମାନେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଲାଇଭ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ 3ରେ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବ। ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପାଠ୍ୟ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଜାରି ରଖ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ଏକ ବିଶେଷ ସୂଚନା। ନମସ୍କାର। ଏତଦ୍ୱାରା ସମସ୍ତ ବିଦ୍ୟାର୍ଥୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ସୂଚାଇ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି କି ଆପଣମାନେ ନୂତନ ଦର୍ଶକ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ନାଲି ଅକ୍ଷରରେ ଥିବା ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ବଟନ୍ଟିକୁ ଟିପନ୍ତୁ। ତାପରେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଦବାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଶେଷରେ ଅଲ୍ ଲେଖା ହୋଇଥିବା ଘଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଟିପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଭଳି କରିବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍।
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ ମୁଁ ହେବି ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର। ନୃତ୍ୟ, ଅଭିନୟ, ଚିତ୍ରାଙ୍କନ, ବୁଦ୍ଧିର ବିକାଶ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଭରପୁର। ଆମର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମମାନ। ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ମାଇ ସାର୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍। ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଡାହାଣ ପଟରେ ଥିବା ଲୋଗୋ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରି ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଓପନ୍ କରି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ସମସ୍ତ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ ପାଇଁ ଆମ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା 8260186104।